Good morning, everyone. Today we're going to be taking care of a tree that fell last week, and also going to be testing something. I was looking for microphones because I noticed that the sound kind of goes in and out every time I walk by the phone when I'm using the phone's microphone. So we're going to be testing this $9 microphone and see how that works out. So here's what I got. It comes with two microphones, obviously wireless, and it cost me $9 on Amazon. Supposedly the regular price is $40. Let's see how that works out. I don't even know if you can hear me right now, but it comes with we'll show you again. It comes with two microphones, and comes with the receiver that hooks up to the iPhone. Not sure how long these batteries will last. They are fully charged. I charged it last night. So again, I'm not sure how long these batteries will last. I'm not sure if the receiver is drawing a lot of power from the phone. So I don't know how long the phone's gonna last, but we'll take it from there. All right. So right now what I'm gonna do is I gotta take care of that tree. I'll show you where the tree is. I don't know if you could see it, but it's right there. And it's pretty big. I'll bring you closer to it so you can see it. But yeah, so right now I'm going to be taking care of that. It's got a lot of poison ivy towards the bottom, so I'm going to take care of the part that doesn't have the poison ivy first, which that takes it out of my usable part of the yard, and and then I'll have to figure out, because I mean it's got a lot of fresh live poison ivy, which really I haven't gotten any poison ivy my whole life. I've been dealing with poison ivy a lot. But this one is scaring me because it's really all over the place. I'll show you in a little bit. Anyway, if you see me looking at my wrist every once in a while, it's because I actually have the phone transmitting to my watch, and I want to see if I'm in frame or not in frame, because as you know, I'm not a professional. So anyway, we'll figure this out together. Okay, I think I got it. So now I'm pretty sure. Let me just. Wow, that's terrible. You can't see my face. Oh boy, let's just. I gotta move that up. Let's see. Where's my hand? Ooh. Yeah, I gotta figure something out here. Truth of the matter is, though, you don't really need to see my face, because that'll make for less views. Oh, that was a little looser than I wanted it to be. All right, we don't want it completely tight, but we don't want it loose either. So I think I got it where I need it. Let's tighten these bolts. I got the fuel in it. I got the bar oil in it. And yeah, we should be good to go there. Not too tight, because you know, half of this crap is made out of plastic, even though it's a steel sole. All right, so basically what I do, and I'm far from a professional at this, with a little bit of nail polish, red nail polish. You can't see from there, but I put a mark on this tooth, and what I do is that tells me where I start. So try to make it even, right? You got, I usually use the 25 degree, right? So let me spray this a little bit, WD-40. And you're gonna ask me why, because I don't want it to rust. It sits in the garage for a while, and I just, I like to keep my stuff nice, or try to. All right. Okay, that's one side, and you get the idea. So I'm gonna continue to doing the rest, and I will get back to you. All right, well, even though I sharpen my chainsaw with a Dremel usually, today I did it with the hand saw. Sorry, the hand file. But I'm sure it's okay. So what I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna spread out this tarp, which is where I'm gonna put a lot of these branches, so I can then drag it in one shot and not have to worry about taking one by one. So let's spread this out. And I know I told you guys the last time that my shoulder was shot, and it still is. And I will not go to the doctor because I will not take surgery for an answer. There's no way. I'm just stubborn. Little windy, so I gotta make sure that I am folded and don't lose it. Oh boy, here we go. Jesus, that's a big tarp. Actually, didn't want it that big. Huh. Okay. Let's see what we can do here. This way with it, so I just drag it out. I don't have to worry about turning it when it's full. I don't want it take too long with this. There you go. Better view of the tarp. All right. Let's go. Okay. See if I can get this started. It'll also be a test, this little microphone, to see if you can hear me. See if it blows up the camera. All right. I just lost that. Gotta put something on it. Yep. Trials and tribulations. Let me get a stump. Or a log, not a stump. Okay. Put a log on this side. Grab another one for that side. Luckily, one thing I have a lot of is logs. The wife is going to do some more mulching around the property while I do this. Oops. I think I would suck at cornhole. That's what she said. All right. Gotta get that started again. Wind, bear with me. Okay. It's got fuel. Choke is on. There we go. Let it warm up a little bit. And figure out, I think I'll start on it. Well, I don't know what kind of tree this is, what kind of, yeah, but definitely wood, so it'll burn. That's all I gotta say. Oh, what boy, I didn't cut that one. Didn't cut this one. Figure out what the hell I cut. cut a lot more than what I'm looking at. Oh, I got cut. That's not good. Wrong side. Nope, that one's stuck there. Oh, this is a long one. Okay, because I didn't cut the lower ones, so the tree wouldn't fall down. So, I'm trying to think which other ones I cut here. No. I could have cut this one here, but nope, I didn't. Nope. I really didn't do much on this side. Or the other side. What's this? Nope. There we go. Nope. Nope. You guys are just standing there watching me, and you don't tell me that, hey, Rui, you didn't cut crap. Like I've been here an hour already. All right. On this side, I got some stuff. Just gotta be careful that I'm not grabbing poison ivy by mistake. I should have cut that so I don't have to keep walking around. Oh, the sun's coming out. Nice and warm now, maybe a little too much, but I'm not complaining. It's chilly this morning. So, a few days ago, we broke records. 90-some degrees for about 3 days in a row. It's only May. And from one day to the other, and I'm not even kidding, we went from 93 degrees, the next day was 50. I went from my air conditioning being on all day in the house to the next day my heater kicked in. Weird. But listen, I'm not complaining. At least I got air conditioning and I got heat. So yeah, I'm gonna shut the camera off and I'm gonna continue to do this. I'll probably put you on a time lapse now. Well, hopefully if the time lapse worked, you were able to kind of see me clearing up this small area. Man, I hurt my hand trying to start that chainsaw one time. Jesus, punched the heck out of it. It won. And I'm just gonna clean up some of these little twigs and stuff. Then I'm probably gonna grab my my lawnmower and just try to mulch as much as I can over here. And that'll be that. And then I gotta attack the poison ivy part, or the bigger part of the tree. I don't know, you guys can't see that from here. Let me see. It goes all the way in there, but I don't know if you see that. It's like all the way, and right there is where it uprooted. You can't see it, but that's where it uprooted. And the poison ivy goes all the way to about that section right there. Yeah, so that's gonna be interesting. But let me try to clean this up first, because this is the part that I was actually, so from here out, that's like a little putting green that I have. I'm growing it with clover because I don't want to worry about maintaining chemicals on grass. If you guys don't know, mixing clover with grass is your best fertilizer because the clover pulls nitrogen from the air and puts it into the soil and actually feeds your grass. And the other thing about clover and grass mix, very tolerable to traffic and abuse. So yeah, if you guys don't mind clover, I don't mind clover at all. If you guys don't mind clover, do like a 50-50 mix, clover seed, clover grass seed, and yeah, it stays green. You don't need to water it. But I do have some bare spots that I bought some topsoil and stuff, so I want to fix that. I have grass, but I don't have clover seed anymore. So today I think I'm gonna go to Tractor Supply with the wife, and I'll be buying a bag of clover. But you got to be careful when you buy clover, because one time I grabbed the bag, I had to return it. I had no idea clovers could be annual, and that was. So you planted it, and next year you had no clover. So thank God I caught it before I opened the bag, and I returned it. Yeah, so that's pretty much this part of the tree. So now I got to try to drag this. I got to figure out where I'm going to put it. I really don't know where I'm going to put this, because obviously if I'm going to burn it, I got to cut it smaller. And I really didn't feel like staying here with a chainsaw and cutting 12 inches at a time. But yeah, so I got to figure out where I'm going to put it in the property, let it sit there, and little by little I'll chop it up. Yep. Well, let's try to use my trusty lawnmower that I had at my other place and see if I can clean up this stuff. Hopefully you can still hear me. It's a very quiet lawnmower. I have it at about 2 inches. I want to get down and clean some of these twigs. You probably hear chewing up stuff. I don't recommend this on your mower, but I really don't use this one. I have the tractor now with a 60-inch deck on it. But for this, and of course I picked up the really big ones. I'm not mulching down 1-inch sticks. It's just little twigs. Just want to clean it up a little bit so it looks decent. I'm actually going to use this mower to do the little putting pad over there. That's what I'll be using to mow it, because you got to get down really low. But with the tractor, you tear up a lot of the grass doing 0 turns and stuff. So I think that's how I got those patches, to be honest. I had a lot of stuff to do here. Yeah. Tell you what, little mulch kit on this mower, doing a phenomenal job. Obviously, if you look very close, you still see stuff, but who cares? Landscapers will take care of it. Very happy with it, to be honest. Don't ask me what I'm doing right now. I think I'm just playing. Yeah, so not bad. That's clean. Now I got to figure out how to drag this out of here. So until I do, I will talk to you guys later. And this is all poison ivy coming right out of the tree, and it's full all the way up to the uprooted part. All right, let's try to get this thing out of here best as we can. I'm not sure what's going to happen now, but the tractor's going to go on and you might not be able to hear very good. So. So what I'm going to try to do is pull this out and then lift it with the forks so I can try to cut it. There, I think it's good. Gotta move it forward. Release the slack of that chain. Alrighty. I might have to go inside and take an allergy pill. Holy crap, this is kicking my ass. Okay. Gonna see some engineering from a guy that knows nothing. Let's go. All right. And now we cut. So I'm going to try to keep it leveled. This side looks a little lighter than that side. This is some nice logs. Wow. I don't know what kind of wood this is, but these are nice. All right. Well, that's it. Now I just got to put everything away. And figure out the poison ivy one. Yeah, I'm going to take you there so you can see what the hell I'm talking about. So here's the tree. Fell on this one, cracked this one. So I might be taking this one down too. And no, that's not poison ivy. That's part of the tree. Okay. And here we go. This is where, right here, where the poison ivy starts. So this is all poison ivy. That's all poison ivy. This is not poison ivy, but it's mixed with poison ivy. Poison ivy all the way here. I gotta figure out how I'm gonna attack this. It uprooted right there. So that's where it uprooted. Yeah, that's where it uprooted. And there's the tree. You can't see it, but it's there, trust me. And you see this right here? That's a poison ivy vine. And mixed with all this stuff, I know this is not poison ivy, but within all of this crap is poison ivy. And it goes all the way out that way. I don't know, maybe I'm just gonna leave it. I'll have to see. So last year, I ordered bulk mulch. I think I ordered like 6 or 7 yards. And man, it was such a pain in the ass to haul that around, because you know, you dump it in one spot and then you got to drive it all the way across. And yeah, I do have a tractor, but made such a mess. So what we're doing this year is we're just buying bags. I caught them on sale. Each one of these bags, 2 cubic feet, on sale for $2 a bag. Hey, I know it comes out more money, but it's worth it. The wife is out there doing what she loves. Believe it or not, she does love that. I don't know how, but all right, here we go. Wish me luck. Ah, what happened there? Sharper utensils? Oh no, those knives you got to replace the blades on. You don't sharpen those. They're utility knives. This might be a 2-bag area. Whew. Sorry for my breathing. But we sit in an office all day. You only do this on weekends. You're watching for the poison ivy, right? I'm just saying, didn't you or your sister or one of you catch it last year here? Okay. As long as you're paying attention. Just scan whatever looks like it's 3 leaves, just so you're sure. Based on what I see, this might be enough, hon. Maybe one more. Just call me and let me know. Okay? I spread them out how I think you're gonna use them. Maybe one more here. I don't know.
Well, I gotta do this now. I gotta
Right.
walk that way.
So maybe one more here, but just don't move bags from over there here. Just leave whatever. Move over there. When I'm done on that side, I'll come here and bring you another bag. All right? Yeah. This is a good test for the microphone. Because if you heard me over there, I'm impressed for the $9. Well, I know that this is a weird ending, but this was only to test the mic and show you what a Friday looks like here. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.